Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel tab, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. And one of the toggles that you see on the side right here will be the power saving toggle. If you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left. This will show you a second page, and I don't see it here either. So in this case, we're going to click right here on this pencil, and I can see it already right here, battery saver. Once you see yours, you can just hold it, drag it to the top, drop it, and when you go back, you should have it on one of the pages. For me, it is right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It gives this pop-up, so turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restrict background activity, and devices notifications. And select turn on. And there we go, it is now enabled. Now once you're done with the power saving mode and you want to turn it off, all you would need to do is just find the toggle once again and tap on it to disable it, and everything should go back to the way it was before. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.